think I need a knife.
And Falgun's opening his new iPhone.
Yeah, I think I need a knife. Just scissors.
And it's taking forever.
I don't know why I should use a knife for this packaging.
And then Mommy gets the new Falgun's iPhone. You should be very excited.
Oh, this reminds me of a scalpel.
I think he needs help opening it up.
I don't want to tear it all apart.
It's wrapping.
Very
it's
surgical,
wrapping.
Surgical with my unwrapping.
Ever so gently with this box.
Okay, that's the box.
Wow, one step closer.
It's me. Man, they don't make it easy to open anything.
Never do.
Why not?
I don't know.
This company was known for its product quality.
Well, it has to make good quality boxes too.
Yeah, I think they outsourced that to China. Man. Oh, it's so hard.
It's been 1 minute and 30 seconds.
I don't want to break anything, especially when the phone's right on the outside. Look at the size of this phone. It's the size of my hand. It's bigger than the size of my palm.
Mm-hmm.
It's a big phone. What else came with it?
This is long. It's not big. It's just long.
Ooh, the new earpods. That's the new connector? That's what I want to see. Man, everything's so tightly wrapped up.
About 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Hasn't even turned on his phone yet.
I want to see this stuff. Cool. You see that?
New cable charger.
That's what I'm going to put in first. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Plastic's finally off the phone.
Okay, this should go either way. I'm not even looking. It's in. Oh, let me turn it around. Oh, it's still in. Whoops. This thing will turn on just by putting that in. I found a bug. It's not even connected to anything. Well, it turned on anyway. Now that it's turned on, it's going to have to turn on. Turn on. Do you think I should charge it?
Yes.
Oh, test these out. It takes a long time for it to open in the first tile. Okay, this thing is tight too. Oh, that's how you're supposed to open it, not cutting off by a scissor. Bienvenido.
Lots of different
English.
languages.
English is good. United States is good. Select the network. Man, I'm gonna have to remember what the damn password
It's so
is.
clean and shiny.
Yeah, just like my regular phone.
The fan is glaring off the phone.
Am I glaring off the phone?
No, you're too dark. You're too dark.
Okay, look at the headphones. Ooh. With this casing they provided. Man, how long is this casing thing? Okay, now it comes off. How are you possibly gonna put that back in together the way it came out?
You don't.
Whoa! Look at these.
Seems like he's more excited about the headphones than the actual iPhone itself.
Yeah, it looks just like the old one. Feels like the old one.
But later he'll tell you all the really cool things on this iPhone.
The camera's in the middle. The microphone jack's at the bottom. Silly. I'm gonna have to go record the password. Okay, I'll see you later. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.